Hey guys, in this video we're diving into the top 5 best unlocked smartphones available right now. Whether you're looking for the best bang for your buck or the ultimate performance, we've got you covered. All the product links are in the description below, so let's get started. Starting off at number 5, we have the Samsung Galaxy A05. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list, coming in at just $107.50. For that price, you're getting a solid 6.7-inch HD Plus PLS LCD display, a decent dual camera setup with a 50-megapixel primary lens, and a reliable 5,000 mAh battery. While the resolution of 720 by 1,600 pixels isn't the sharpest, it gets the job done for basic tasks like streaming, browsing, and social media. The design is simple yet functional, with a lightweight build and a matte black finish that minimizes smudges. Performance-wise, it runs on the MediaTek Helio G85 processor with 4 GB of RAM. This combination is adequate for everyday tasks, but might falter with demanding apps or multitasking. The 64 GB of internal storage, expandable up to 1 TB, is a big plus for users who need additional space for photos or apps. Overall, the Galaxy A05 is an excellent choice for anyone on a tight budget who needs a dependable smartphone for basic use. However, the lack of 5G and a slightly underwhelming display resolution are its main trade-offs. If you're just looking for a no-frills device that won't break the bank, this one's for you. At number 4, we have the Samsung Galaxy A16 4G LTE International model, priced at $135.99. This phone strikes a balance between affordability and upgraded features. Its standout feature is the 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with a 1080 by 2340 resolution and a smooth 90 Hz refresh rate. This makes it perfect for watching videos or scrolling through social media. The light green color option gives it a fresh, modern look, and the build feels sturdy yet lightweight. The Galaxy A16 4G LTE is powered by the MediaTek Helio processor, paired with 4 GB of RAM, which performs well for moderate multitasking and day-to-day use. The 128 GB of storage, expandable up to 1 TB, ensures you have plenty of room for apps and media. The dual 50-megapixel camera setup takes crisp, detailed photos in good lighting conditions, although the macro lens could use some improvement. Battery life is fantastic, thanks to the 5,000 mAh capacity, and the 25-watt wired charging support adds convenience. However, this phone lacks 5G connectivity, which might be a deal-breaker for some. Additionally, it's not compatible with T-Mobile's network, so be sure to check your carrier before purchasing. If you're looking for a vibrant display and solid performance at a mid-range price, this phone is worth considering. Coming in at number 3, we have the Motorola Moto G 5G 2024 edition. Priced at $139.99, this phone is a great option for those seeking 5G connectivity on a budget. The standout feature here is the 6.6-inch display with a 120 Hz refresh rate, which offers a smooth and immersive experience whether you're playing games or scrolling through your feed. The sage green finish and vegan leather back add a touch of premium design, along with a comfortable fingerprint-resistant grip. Under the hood, the Moto G 5G is powered by the Snapdragon 4 Gen 1 processor and 4 GB of RAM, making it capable of handling most tasks with ease. The 50XP camera system delivers sharp, vibrant photos during the day, and the macro vision lens lets you get up close for detailed shots. The 5,000 mAh battery easily lasts a full day, and the Turbo Power fast charging ensures you're not waiting around for hours to recharge. On the downside, the 720p resolution is slightly underwhelming compared to its competitors, especially considering the 120 Hz refresh rate. But if you're after a reliable 5G phone with a premium look and feel, the Moto G 5G offers excellent value for its price. Taking the number 2 spot is the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. While the price is currently not available, this is Samsung's flagship offering, and it's loaded with high-end features. The 6.9-inch AMOLED display with a 2560 by 1440 resolution is nothing short of stunning, delivering vibrant colors and sharp details. Add in the built-in S Pen, and you've got a powerhouse for productivity and creativity. The Snapdragon 8 Elite processor and 12 gigabytes of RAM make this phone an absolute beast in terms of performance. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or multitasking, the S25 Ultra handles it all effortlessly. The AI night mode camera is another standout feature, capturing excellent shots even in low-light conditions. The 5,000 mAh battery supports fast and wireless charging, ensuring you stay powered throughout the day. The only downside is that this phone is overkill for users who just need basic functionality. But if you're someone who wants the best of the best, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is an unmatched flagship device. And finally, taking the #1 spot is the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. At $174.99, this phone offers an exceptional mix of performance, features, and value. The 6.7-inch AMOLED display with 1880 by 2340 resolution is vibrant and crisp, perfect for streaming and gaming. The triple camera setup, including a 50-megapixel main lens, ensures you capture stunning photos from every angle. The Galaxy A16 5G is powered by a 2.4 GHz octa-core processor and 4 GB of RAM, making it a smooth performer for multitasking and everyday use. The 128 GB of storage, expandable up to 1.5 terabytes, is perfect for those who take a lot of photos or download large files. The 5,000 mAh battery supports super fast charging, so you'll never be tethered to the wall for long. Plus, the 6 years of OS and security updates make it a future-proof choice. With its durable design, excellent display, and reliable 5G connectivity, the Galaxy A16 5G is the ultimate mid-range smartphone. If you want a phone that does it all without breaking the bank, this is the one for you. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the perfect unlocked smartphone for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest tech reviews. If you have any questions about the products, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.